How to download music to LG phone from computer. Well, in this article, we will sum up how to transfer music from a computer to LG Mobile and how to download music onto your LG phone directly. Way 1. How to add music to your LG phone from computer via USB cable. Download music to your computer and connect the LG phone with the USB cable. Select PTP or MeTP on the LG device. Create a folder on the phone, then drag and drop desired music from your computer. Way 2. How to download music to LG phone with Google Play Music. Download music to LG phone from the mobile page of Google Play Music. Open Google Play Music on your LG phone. Sign in, find the songs or albums, and tap the three-dot icon. Choose Download Now and monitor progress with the arrow icon. Download songs to LG phone from Google Play Music app. Download, install, and open Google Play Music on your LG phone. In your music account, swipe right to access My Library. Choose the album or song, then tap the respective option. Tap Download to save the songs to your LG phone. Way 3. How to put music on LG phone from computer with Assistant for Android. Since it's often easier to download music from your laptop or desktop, you may want to transfer the songs from the computer to your LG phone. At this point, many folks would choose Mobikin Assistant for Android. Run the software, connect your LG phone via USB, and follow prompts. In the program, choose Music, click New, and select desired songs. Click Open to transfer the songs to your LG phone.